Hope you enjoy this content, and please subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.
Get locked up for a while and take classes, and that's what I've done before, and that's the only way I knew how to get help. And you know, I apologize to the courtroom for my mistakes that I've made, but I've never called 911 on myself, and I feel like that's a big step as well. As doesn't make it any better, but I wasn't asking for probation, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. I asked for 5 because I felt like, you know, I don't know if that was a good punishment for me, but I felt like I needed to get away for a while from the wrongs that I did, my mistakes, and I'll take full responsibility for my actions. And I'm sorry for what I caused. But I do have a daughter, and she's asking for me, and I'm just trying to better myself for her. And I never thought that changing my life would have to deal with me being an addict, and that's what I'm dealing with now.
Thank you. Thank you. Ms. Malfino?
Judge, obviously his criminal history dictates that somewhere in the range of 10 to 12 years would be appropriate for him and would have been a sentence that was mitigated by the cap. I do appreciate his honesty. It's not what we typically hear from a defendant. Usually it's the excuses. I appreciate that he's not even asking for probation and insulting the court in that way, so I'm deferring to what he thinks.
So, Mr. Armenta, I make notes and go through the pre-sentence reports. Obviously, before court, I use a highlighter to highlight convictions and things, and usually the prettier it looks, the worse it is. With highlighting, yours does not look good. Your criminal history, like you said, is ridiculous. I appreciate what you're trying to do now. Obviously, it's a little late or a lot late, but it's Ms. Malfino's right. People don't take responsibility. I had a note on here for pretty much what she said, that 10 to 12 was probably the right thing to do. I think I'm inclined to give something for what you are trying to do, but 5 years is not going to be it. So I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of driving while intoxicated, third or more, find those prior offense true, sentence you to a term of 8 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please leave a comment. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.